Hello friend, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video you are going to learn how to pay for your Facebook ads step-by-step tutorial without any stress. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe. So with that being said, let's get started. So the first thing first is that I'm going to use my phone to do this. You can use whatever device that is available for you. You can either use your PC or you use your phone. All you have to do is to follow the same procedure and the same step. You are going to get it done easily. So when you are using your phone, you have to have this particular app on your phone, which is Meta has. So you have to click on the app if you are using your phone. Then it's open up this way. Next thing you want to do is to click on this icon here, settings icon. So next thing you want to do right here is that you need to click on payment right here. Click on payment. Then at this point here, click on add funds. Then at this point here, you can click on here to edit the amount you would like to fund the account with. So I'm funding this account with just 1,000 naira. Once you choose the amount you want to fund with, come down below here and make sure you choose naira payment with MasterCard. Once you choose naira payment with MasterCard, next thing you want to do is to click on next. Then at this point here, click on continue from the top right here. So you can see right here. So at this point here, you need to tick on here to pay with your card. Then right here, you need to enter your card number, card holder name, month, and expire year, and click on pay. So I'm going to fill up all this information one after the other. So the card holder name is card holder number come first. So I'm going to enter my card detail. So I'm entering my card detail right here. 83 and okay, you can see it has been indicated. So once you enter the card number, you need to enter the card name. So when you enter your card name, then you have to click on months. So at this point, you have to choose the expire month and year. Okay. So once you choose that, you have to come to the you have to enter the 3-digit code at the back of your card. Once you enter that, the next thing you need to do is to authorize your payment right here. Just click on pay. So it's going to redirect you back to where you will need to authorize your payment. So once your bank sends the authorization code, you have to click and paste the code. Once you paste the code, then next thing you need to do is to click on confirm. So you can see that your transaction was successfully done. Okay, so next thing you need to do is to go back to your hard account, and you need to refresh your fund page. So by the time I refresh at this point here, the fund is going to be in this account. So let me go back to payments. So you can see the fund has been credited into my account and successfully without any stress. So this is how you can fund your Facebook ads, or how you can pay for your Facebook ad using your Naira MasterCard step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.